Hello everyone. In today's class, we'll understand about pronouns, subject and object pronouns, pronouns used in first person, second person and third person's point of view. So let's start. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a short word that can replace a noun in a sentence. There are some examples of pronouns like I, we, you, they, he, she, yours, mine, it, theirs, ours, myself, herself, this, his, hers, ourself and that. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. The children are playing in the park. In this sentence, the noun children can be replaced by the pronoun they. They are playing in the park. The pronoun they is used for many people. The pronoun he can replace any noun which is in masculine form. For example, Karan eats pasta every Tuesday. In this sentence, Karan is a boy, masculine gender. So, we can rewrite this sentence using pronoun he as he eats pasta every Tuesday. The pronoun she can replace any noun which is in feminine form. For example, Simran made breakfast this morning. Simran is a girl, feminine gender. So, we can rewrite the sentence using the pronoun she as she made breakfast this morning. The pronoun it can replace any noun which is a thing or an animal. Example, train runs very fast. Train is a thing. So, we can rewrite this sentence using the pronoun it as it runs very fast. The cat is sitting outside. Cat is an animal. For animals also, we use the pronoun it. So, this sentence can be rewritten as it is sitting outside. There are two main types of pronouns, subject pronoun and object pronoun. Subject pronoun. The subject pronoun is a pronoun that comes before the verb in a sentence. Example, they go for a walk every evening. In this sentence, the pronoun they comes before the verb go. So, the pronoun they is a subject pronoun. Another example, I brought this gift for you. In this sentence, the pronoun I comes before the verb brought. So, the pronoun I is a subject pronoun. In English language, the singular subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, and the plural subject pronouns are we, you, they. Let's understand how to use these subject pronouns in sentences. Singular subject pronoun I. I have 2 dogs. You. You go for playing after completing your homework. He ran to the doctor. She brought mangoes from the shop. It is hungry. Plural subject pronoun we study at night. You are both late for class. They play basketball on Saturdays. Object pronoun. An object pronoun is a pronoun that comes after the verb in a sentence. For example, my father waters them every morning. In this sentence, the pronoun them comes after the verb waters. So, in this sentence, the pronoun them is an object pronoun. The dentist told you to open your mouth. In this sentence, the pronoun you comes after the verb told. So in this sentence, the pronoun you is an object pronoun. In English language, the singular object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, and the plural object pronouns are us, you, them. Let's understand how to use these object pronouns in sentences. Singular object pronouns: me. Dad took me on the ride at the carnival. You. We brought these flowers for you. Him. The baker gave him a cookie. Her. Mom brought her a sandwich. It. The woman took it to the vet. Plural object pronouns: us. The teacher gave us a lot of homework. You. The coach told you both to run every day. Them. The librarian told them to be quiet. Practice time. Fill appropriate subject pronoun in the following sentences. Let's understand how to use these pronouns according to first person, second person, and the third person point of view. In the first person point of view, we talk about ourselves, our opinions, and the things that happen to us. We generally speak in the first person. The first person singular subject pronoun is I, and the first person plural subject pronoun is we. The first person singular object pronoun is me, and the first person plural object pronoun is us. Let's understand these with the help of some sentences. I am going to watch a movie. In this sentence, I is the first person singular subject pronoun. We do not eat too many sweets. In this sentence, we is the first person plural subject pronoun. Mom gave me a piece of cake. In this sentence, me is the first person singular object pronoun. The sun gives us heat and light. In this sentence, us is the first person plural object pronoun. Second person point of view. When using the second person point of view, the narrator talks to the reader or listener directly. Second person both singular and plural subject pronoun is you, and the second person both singular and plural object pronoun is also you. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. You must study hard for better results. In this sentence, you is the second person singular subject pronoun as it appears before the verb study. I told you both to play outside. In this sentence, you is the second person plural object pronoun as it appears after the verb told. Third person point of view. When using the third person point of view, the narrator talks about other people. The third person singular subject pronouns are he, she, and it. The third person plural subject pronoun is they. The third person singular object pronouns are him, her, and it. And the third person plural object pronoun is them. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. He is a very hard-working person. In this sentence, the narrator is talking about some third person who is not listening to this conversation. So in this sentence, he is the third person singular subject pronoun. They will visit us in winter. In this sentence, they is a third person plural subject pronoun as it appears before the verb visit. Let's understand third person object pronouns. The teacher gave the worksheet to her. In this sentence, her is a third person singular object pronoun as it appears after the verb gave. Mom took them to vet yesterday. In this sentence, them is the third person plural object pronoun as it appears after the verb took in the sentence. Practice time. Fill appropriate object pronoun in the following sentences.
Always come to school on time and wear proper uniform.
No, I don't agree with you. Recap. In today's class, we learnt about pronouns, subject and object pronouns, first person, second person and third person point of view. Hope you all learned something new in today's class.